Buongiorno, everybody. Welcome to my first day of actual learning. And I can tell you that actually in half an hour, well, it was a bit more than half an hour because I got so into it that I did a bit more than half an hour. I actually learned so many things. I can really recommend Buso so far, just the first day. So I did 8 units and I learned how to present myself. Let me try it. Sono Giuliana, sono lettone di Riga, come va? Di dove sei? I just said that I'm Giuliana, I'm from Latvia, from Riga. How are you? Where are you from? I also learned how to order things at the bar. For example, I can say per me un panino al prosciutto. And if they ask me if I want anything to drink, I think it was de birra, de bere. Actually, it's funny because bere in Romanian is beer, but I guess they ask about to drink is beer. Interesting. Yes, and beer is bira. Actually, I don't know how to order water. I have to look it up. But I learned how to order un cappuccino, per favore. I also learned, let me see what else I learned. I learned vorrei, I'd like to. And I guess once you learn vorrei, you can just go and point. Vorrei. Okay, that's a very good. Also I learned to say piacere, which is very similar to placere in Romanian. It's amazing, actually, how many parallels I can draw between Romanian and Italian. For example, the reading, for me, it was super easy because it's the same how you read it in Romanian. Of course, I learned grazie, grazie. Beautiful, like a very gracious word. I love it. And let's see, what else did I learn? I learned nationalities. Okay. One thing that surprised me was Tedesco or Tedesca, but for German. I couldn't find any connections in any languages. I guess I just have to memorize it. Also, I learned the verb to be. Io sono, I am, which is very close to Romanian. Eu sunt, sono, sono. Okay, tu sei, you are. In Romanian also, when it comes to the second person singular, you also say vrei, bei. Okay, so it's easy to remember that. Tu sei. Okay, he is lui è, which is super easy. Lui is also, we know that you talk lui, you talk about him in Romanian. Lei, for she is lei è. And I decided to remember girl named Leila, Italian girl named Leila. So she is, lei è. I guess that's all. That's all I learned for today. In only 30 minutes, I'm really happy. And see you tomorrow for more learning of Italian. Bye-bye.